Okay. Okay, Miss Cheatham read you a story today about the kissing hand, about the raccoon, remember, named Chester? And he was getting ready to go to school. So the question is, when did he go to school? So I'm gonna put up my screen.
That went down.
And I want you to answer the question for me. So let's see. Jalea, when did Chester Raccoon, that's supposed to be a son right there, but it's not. When did Chester Raccoon go to school? Did he go to school in the daytime or the nighttime?
You know what I'm saying?
I'm talking. I can.
But I don't know why I won't let it all that, you know.
Miss Potomi, can you take care of that?
Yes, I surely will.
Thank you. Jalea, did Chester go to school in the daytime or the nighttime?
The nighttime.
The nighttime. All right. Jalea says the nighttime. Good job. Janiyah, when did Chester go to school? Did he go to school in the daytime or the nighttime?
The morning time.
The morning time? Okay, that's Janiyah. All right. Who else do we have?
James.
James, are you here? James. Oh, Carter. Carter, did Chester go to school in the daytime or the nighttime? Carter, you got to push your microphone. We can't hear you.
Nighttime.
Nighttime, says Carter. All right.
He ain't there.
King didn't hear the story.
Oh, he wasn't there this morning. That's right. Okay, Francisco was there.
Oh, Francisco, what do you think? Did Chester go to school in the daytime or the nighttime? Chester the raccoon. Francisco. Did you listen to the story that Miss Cheatham read about Chester the raccoon? Francisco? Okay, it sounds like Francisco's not going to answer. Francisco, if you decide to answer, let me know. James, are you there?
Yeah.
When do you say that Chester raccoon went to school? Daytime or nighttime?
Nighttime.
Which time?
Nighttime.
Nighttime. All right. Anybody else? Francisco, are you going to tell us? All right. So let's look. How many people said daytime? Here's Day.
One person said.
One person. Good job. And how many said nighttime? 1, 2, 3. Another good job. All right.
Did Melanie come? Melanie didn't come. Did she?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
All right. So what did more people say? More people said?
Nighttime.
Nighttime. You got it. Kiss your brains, guys. That was a good job. And now,
You didn't
I
do
have Miss Potomi, and look, Miss what? No, I know King did not hear the story, so I did not ask King.
Yeah.
Okay, look at Miss Potomi. She's got a glass and a cup and fork. I can't wait to see what this is going to be. Yeah, water.
So today, good morning. So today we are.
Miss Van, he said he asked you.
What?
Francisco said he answered you, but they can't hear your mic.
Oh, okay. What did he want me to add his thing to the?
He just answered.
What was his answer? I did not hear you, Francisco.
Francisco. You say he can't hear you.
Oh.
They can't hear you.
I don't know how to fix that. They need to turn on computer. They need to turn on their computer. I see his microphone. I can't hear him.
They said they can't hear you.
No, he said something is wrong with his mic.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
okay. Oh,
Something's
that's
wrong
what
with
it
his mic.
okay.
Okay. All right. We're good. No worries. We'll get it figured out. Okay. Eyes on Miss Potomi, please.
He said night.
Okay.
Oh, okay. How do you know? Oh, did he type it in?
I just
Uh-huh. It's in the
heard- I
chat
just-
box.
Choop, choop. All right. I'm going to change it. We're going to add
Francisco.
Francisco under night. And then that means we have to change this number. Whoops. And that's going to be, count those people now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we're going to change this number to 4. All right. Good job. Thank you, Francisco. You worked awfully hard to tell us that. Okay, now let's give Miss Potomi our attention.
Okay, so we are making water fireworks. If you remember last time we made lava. What it was lava, Christmas lava. So this time we're gonna use water. You can get a cup of water, just a little oil, and some food coloring. I have liquid food coloring and gel food coloring, and a fork. So we're going to put some dots, some drops of food coloring inside the oil. Put a little. And then, so it looks like this, if you can see it. I'm gonna add a little drop of gel because I didn't have any more liquid food coloring. I only had gel. So they should still work the same to make the fireworks. Why do you think the food coloring is sitting on top of the oil? Can you see it?
Yeah,
Why do you think it's sitting on top of the oil?
I don't know.
Do you think oil and food coloring mix?
Jalea
Yeah.
says no. She's nodding her head no.
Okay, so food coloring and oil do not mix. But we're gonna make them mix by using our fork. So we're gonna stir it up to break them up into small particles. Stir. And you see how we broke the food, how I broke the food coloring up? If you can see it, hope you can see it. Can you see
It's
it?
it's little tiny pieces now.
Okay,
Yeah.
I can see it too.
good job. I'm glad you can see it. So we're gonna pour the oil and the food coloring.
I know what's going on.
I'm gonna add a little bit more. Just look like they're very small now. I did it too long. Okay.
You know what's gonna happen?
We're gonna pour the oil and the food color into the water, and we're gonna watch the colors explode in the water. But we won't hear any sounds like the real fireworks. We only see the colors, okay?
Go
No,
do something else. It just gonna fall.
no, it's not.
Ooh.
Ah,
Yeah.
See, told you.
These
I made a mistake, you guys.
That's okay. That's okay.
the other thing.
But what's supposed to happen was
That's
you
okay.
can see it a little. I can see it happening a little inside. I did too much green. So if you see the little strings of the food coloring, it's making colors, but I overpower the oil with too much green. So do not put that much food
Try
coloring.
that.
Only use a little and do not stir for long because it will look like this.
do you want to
Okay.
try it again?
Can we try it again, you guys?
Man, let's do
Okay,
it.
let's try it again.
Yes,
Okay. I only put 5 drops, and I'm gonna just stir it probably like a little. Okay, not that much. not that you see small particles in there. You just want to see medium size almost. Okay, so we're gonna drop it into the water. I hope this worked, guys.
Teacher.
Guys, did it work?
No.
It worked better on the first one because I saw the streams popping down. I'm popping from the top. But this activity did not work this time. I'm sorry.
I see them now. I see strings, but anyway, yeah. Oh, it does look like fireworks.
You see me because I see me in the glass.
Oh, no.
Look, if you look at the top, can you see the very top? Let me see, can I bring it down?
Uh-huh.
It's kind of dark, but I see them in.
Okay. All right. Well, guess what? We'll have to try it at home and see. Oh, there goes some. Look, there they go. Is that how they're supposed to do, Miss Potomi?
Yeah, this is how it's supposed to do it, just like that. But with different colors. Maybe not green. Try another color. Try red and blue.
All right.
All right.
Cool.
But yeah, it's a lot of them in there now. I don't know why you can't see it, but I can see it.
Is it time to go bye-bye?
Just about.
I can see it.
Can you see the little,
I'm trying to, okay.
right here, see it?
Floating?
That's the fireworks coming down.
It's supposed to be colors coming down.
Yeah.
The lava lamp maker.
Different colors. Yeah,
Okay.
but
Well, that's the end of our little water fireworks. You can try it at home and see if yours work better than mine. We can compare. Science project.
Lava lamp?
Yeah,
It was
if you like to.
it was kind of like the lava lamp.
But we did not add something. What did we not add to this project to make it a lava lamp?
Ooh, I don't remember. What made it? What?
A top for
That's
it.
right. Somebody said it. They said it.
Julia saying it.
That's right. The Alka-Seltzer. That's right.
That's right.
Yeah, we need that.
I know you was paying attention.
Julia?
Put a top on it, and then we can have it like a lava lamp.
Right? We could.
Look, we're gonna have a better science project on next Friday, okay, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
You did good.
But you know what? The thing about science is you have to try things, and sometimes they don't act like you expect them to.
That's
So you just have to try a new thing. Science happens like that all the time.
That is so
I
true.
want to try and make a lava
It's
lamp.
time for us to go.
It is time. It is time to say,
Goodbye.
I love you. And I hope you have a great day. What time is lunch today? 11 to 12:45. And then what time is, what is that squalling?
That's cute.
Okay, anyway,
That Melanie coming in.
I'm sorry.
oh, I see. Jania's got her I love yous up. Thank you, Jania. And we'll see you at what time?